I'm still a little bit bloated from the lasagna I had with, there was so much cheese in it, and I had cornbread on the side. Hope you don't mind, but I really need to make some space for my lovely, welcoming, not so disgusting self. And I'm still imagining the people that's long time no see. Something terrible has occurred, and that is Maria life being in bed on the holidays with Christmas and New Year's, which has caused me to be with painstakingly flu in bed for 3 to 3.5 weeks. And you never guessed what happened. I gained 8.8 pounds because I was so depressed and just eating and being in aches and pains that I will spare you. But oh my God. Has it gone to my belly? Do you think it has gone to my belly? I don't know. It is quite an existence. It has expanded, and I'm just thinking about, like, I think about 2 hours ago, I was in a restaurant with my mother and some other family. And, you know, I'm just sitting here in this exact outfit. And people are just staring at me, finding me attractive. And they don't know what's hiding underneath this pants. Like, there's so much of it. Like, black is hiding so well. Like, walking, like, normally outside, and then relax mode. And there's all of this. This can't be healthy nor normal. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about everything I've been doing to keep this wonderful physique. I'm just gonna show you my typical nighttime routine when I'm in front of my computer and playing some really awful, terrible video games on my laptop while being really, really, really sick. I'm just gonna show you my established nighttime routine while I was sick, flu, just being a disgusting pig while I'm playing the most terrible game of all time, King's Quest. I've played all the parts, and I will tell you I'm not ashamed, because a pointer and clicker will allow you to eat a lot of garbage in between. One of my favorites, whole fat milk. Getting messy already. Gonna pour some of that in. Not a whole lot, of course. Get some very healthy fiber in your diet. And this should be around 1,000 calories worth of snackies. And as I'm just mindlessly snacking away, just playing my silly little video games. Mm. Mm. So good. And as I'm just playing, feeling miserable about myself, I can't help but, before my cereal gets soggy, I have to hurry up. Get some creamy cookie dough chocolate. They're very thick slices, and that will get me another 1,500, and I'm not even noticing it. How silly of me. Maybe a little bit stupid. Mm. 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 You know, King Graham can wait. We're just gonna take another bite. Mm. I'm still a little bit bloated from the lasagna I had with, there was so much cheese in it, and I had cornbread on the side. Hope you don't mind, but I really need to make some space for my lovely, welcoming, not so disgusting self. And I'm still imagining the people that saw me at the dinner table. Like, there were some guys behind me just eyeing me and, how are you doing, lady? Can't you see how disgusting I am just eating so freaking much? Mm. Mm. All the contents are just slushing around in there. Mm. 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 And if you're a good boy or girl, you will drink all of the milk. Like, it's basically sugar water at this point. I'm not quite satisfied yet because I've maybe been playing my little video game for about 20 minutes, realistically. Normally I even bake some meat in between because I was sick and really like, okay, I gotta recover. But because I'm just a fat slob, my immune system is not working up to par. Oh, fuck. Like, you know, you buy these sort of healthy little chopped desserts. You probably know them from when you were little. Just gonna take one because they're neatly portioned. Really like this orange flavor. Oh wait, I also kind of want a banana one. So I'm gonna have the banana one because I'm sad. So,
Hooray!
The zombies are coming.